Hey everybody, so today's video is being done in collaboration with Beebeecraft.com, and today I'm going to be making some coasters with these beautiful coaster molds that they sent me. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Beebeecraft has a YouTube program where if you have over 100 subscribers and subscriber engagement and other criteria that are met, you can apply to be part of their YouTube program. And basically what it is they will send you products and you can review the products and do videos for them. So it's definitely a great program. If you're interested, I'm going to put the link to apply down in my description box. Okay, so I am just going to dust the back of these with some grape chameleon powder that I have. And I'm just going to top coat it with polyurethane resin. So this should cover any of the sides where I didn't fill it up all the way, and also give it a nice backing, I hope. Okay, so it has been about, I'd say about 20 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and get these demolded. And then I wanna cut around where it went over.
Begins silver, gold, and precious pins, crafting dreams that dance like light, pieces glowing in the night. Jewels in color, gems that gleam, shapes that flow like endless dream, sparkling secrets far and near, in the fire they appear. Making pendants shining bright, hanging stars that play with light. In your hands the world ignite, crafting beauty, pure delight. Hammers tapping gentle strokes, every piece a tale he flows. Chains that dangle, hearts that sing, magic made from simple things. Polished smooth with careful grace, love that shines on every space. Metals molded from the heart, art and soul, a work of art. Making pendants shining bright, hanging stars that play with light. In your hands the world ignite, crafting beauty, pure delight. Hammers tapping gentle strokes, hanging stars that play with light. In your hands the world ignite, crafting beauty, pure delight.
Okay, here are the completed coasters. I really love how they came out. I'm very happy with these molds. Definitely go check out beebeecraft.com and you can get a discount by using my discount code, which is Allison10. And I want to thank Beebeecraft for sending me these products. I really love how these coasters came out. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.